'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But all your heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew.
Where are we now? Adika. Ivy. So, andito na kami sa So, nag-isip po kami ngayon ng motto namin. So, ang motto niya po, behind the smile, there's us. Oh, so, super true, di ba guys? So, yeah. Kasi mabas na. Paano naman? Sabi mo na sa kanya. Sister to be. Hindi nyo alam yung this sister, guys. Oo. Haya.
May best part. Over, tatlong blessing, isang blanket.
So guys, cute. Nag-ano siya. So done na ang seminar. So sana naman matapos na naman kami. Ay, hindi pa tapos na kasi. Yeah, done na. Wala pa na response. Wala na. Bye! Sarap yarn. Guys, that's so yummy. Pikit ka, pikit. Masarap kasi sa bread yung soup. Yeah. Oh, yo, napaka-generous na nga ng tao. Wala talaga, hindi talaga ma-appreciate. Hi guys! Sino ba yan? Dito ba tayo? Dito. Ay? Ay? Pababa naman tayo. Okay
Ay, hindi mo kaya. Hindi sumasayad. Hindi sumasayad.
So guys, hindi siya pinag-stay dun sa ano. Tinake out.
Oh, plus 6. Oh, plus 6.
Ay, sabihin tayo again. Sabihin tayo. Ano ko, riringin.
Ayoko na lumudugo na yung ano ko, baka mawala na ako ng fingerprint.
O, eh.
Hello guys, so today is March 6 and aalis na kami. Let's get ready.
Let's get ready, guys.
Let's get ready to all go.
Alam mo ano pala nararamdaman doon sa baba? Ay, so, wala kami pa. Charles! Tayo lang kaya yung ano, dito sa land.
Alright.
Oo, just sa taas na sila na. Wala akong kasama, kaya kung may kasama ako, edi ano. Kung may kasama ako, yun lang. Ayun lang.
So this is the Crimson Hotels lotion. So I'm gonna bring this. And then, may slippers na kayo? Yeah. Is this mine? Weh?
Ano pa yung sa akin mo sa gitna?
Ginamit mo? Kasi ako, hindi ko ginamit yung akin. So, I'm gonna bring this. Oh! Yeah! This is my sewing here. So, ang oras na po ay 5:39. Ay, sabi, 5:30 bababa. Kung kanina pa tayo nag-prepare. O, tignan mo yan, okay. Ganyan na ba bilis mo? Sabi ni Ate Sarah, 5:30 na ba tayo? 5:10 na, nakahiga pa din siya. Hello guys, so ang breakfast namin ay 6 a.m.
5:30 daw pupunta.
5:30 na pupunta, pero hindi lang sa Taiwan man. Bye guys. Hindi naman na tututuwa yung nag-ano sa'yo. Magsapatos pa daw siya. Hello guys, so it's time for the bread. So we have the croissant.
Ano?
What is that? Pico. It's my favorite. Sa other side, may atin po. Ate Sarah. Hello guys. So, 10 a.m. na po and 10 a.m.
Mali.
Mali guys.
Unsubscribe agad. Hindi ka na-subscribe.
So, yeah. So, ayun.
So,
Ano na siya. So, where are you going na? So, yeah. Subscribe mo ako. I have channel. YouTube channel. Ayan na, nag-reply na siya. So, punta na kaming pool. It's 8 a.m. pa lang pala. Super excited mo, girl. So, yeah. That's the update, guys. So, this is our outfit. Look. Come here. Where's Ate Sarah? And Ate Nicole? Si
Ate Nicole,
ay
she
hindi
doesn't
ba?
want to
Si
go to
Siri.
sleep like that.
Kasi baka mag-open, close, open. Ay, may lang, oy. So, yun. So, guys, baba na kami. And we have our towels with us. So, it's 8 a.m. So, this is, like, all. So, nasa 10th floor kami. So, nasa 8th floor lang naman yung swimming pool. So, yeah.
Hey guys, that's my phone.
Thank you for letting me using your phone. Kasi hindi matuata ma-upload. Prelims na kasi namin next week, so good luck. Good luck, guys.
Kasi ito yung prelims natin, di ba?
Hey guys, we're done. So look at my skin. It's so dark now, and I'm so sleepy na. Bye. Siya ako rin nagsalita. Para sa'yo ako na.
So we're going back to our room.
Hello guys! So, tada! Naka-budget na kami! Tapos wala kayo dyan sa Ate Sarah. Kasi, malunod.
What's that?
Hello guys! Hi Ate Nicole! Hi! Ready to go na? Very sulit. Ganda, ganda. Ayan, ganda, ganda. Ang ganda niya. Sawadika! Hi, update po. Where are we now? Where are we now?
Ayaw magbasa kayo.